disappearing hikers, trail theft, wild animal encounters. The most challenging hike in Islamabad. Some say it's dangerous, others say it's breathtaking. Today, we uncover the truth behind Trail 5. But beyond the thrill, Trail 5 is pure beauty. A trail where adventure meets serenity. Good morning, adventurers. Today, we are hiking Trail 5, one of the most exciting and scenic trails in Islamabad. If you love nature, challenges, and stunning views, stay with me for the next few minutes. It's going to be an unforgettable journey. One of the best things about Trail 5 is that it has everything. A proper workout, lush greenery, and even wildlife. But you need strong legs and a strong heart because this trail will test you. Trail 5 isn't just a hiking route, it's an experience. With every step, you leave behind the noise of the city and enter a world of tranquility. The cool breeze, the scent of pine trees, and the distant call of birds make this journey unforgettable. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or someone looking for peace, Trail 5 has something for everyone. The gradual elevation keeps your heart pumping, and the breathtaking viewpoints make the effort worthwhile. Trust me, after the first 15 minutes, you'll start questioning your life choices. But wait till you see what's ahead. This is where the struggle pays off. Look at this amazing view. The higher we go, the better it gets. A little secret, if you ever feel tired, just listen to nature. The sound of birds, the wind in the trees. It refreshes your soul. And this is the moment we hike for. The struggle, the sweat, it all leads to this view. Trail 5 never disappoints. Every hike teaches you patience, endurance, and appreciation for nature. If you haven't been here yet, what are you waiting for? If you like this adventure, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments which trail I should explore next. See you on the next adventure.